SpongeBob reporting for duty at the greatest restaurant in the entire ocean. Where's Mr. Krabs?
It's take your kid to work day.
Just think, Curly, darling daughter. One day this will all be yours. Soon as you graduate high school, I'll start you as manager. But I have my own dreams, Daddy.
Oh, Mr. Krabs, if she doesn't want to be manager, I know someone who'd be great for the job.
You? My boy, you're just a wee simple sponge. A fry cook's all you'll ever be.
Why can't you see? I wore my good shoes and I got my tie on.
This is my first time testing out this paper.
Am I just a simple sponge and come on, Mr. Krabs, I could do it if you'd give me one chance. Then everyone would say,
And to be honest, this thing is actually amazing. And to start this off, we're gonna draw G-Cutemon. Another ×7 fusion, otherwise known as Greatest Cutemon. This guy is a This strong fellow is a fusion of Cutemon, Dondokamon, Nightmon, Ponchessmon, Beastmon, Chibitoromon, and Gigimon. I really don't understand why they didn't include Beastmon in the English dub. I mean, she's an essential to the fusion. Here's the sword. The only time we only saw Greatest Cutemon is only in the first episode before they released Shoutmon ×7, and his only attack was that drumming ability when he kept saying his name. If they used him more in the show, he would be unstoppable. Training it can help improve Greatest Cutemon. He's more than just a sweetie. He's also a powerful fighting machine. Shoot. My thing is almost out of battery. Good thing I'm charging this. Here's his drumstick. There's his arm. There's his drumstick. Here's his drum. Here's Tortomon's feet. Here's his tail. And there he is. That's how you draw the greatest Cutemon. G-Cutemon for short. He looks amazing. Be sure to post a comment on what Digimon you want me to draw next. Good night.